Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. So do all of that, and below the video you'll find some links. So if you want my swing setups, you can click on the first link below and join the membership, and you can check out the brokers and a prop firm here. Join this free Telegram for sure. And then let's get back. So we have a lot of news coming today. As you can see this calendar for 23rd of January, so we have a lot of news coming. A lot of spikes will be there, I guess, and a lot of stop losses will be hit today. So be careful. And right now we just have maybe a couple of hours when the market is ending on 22nd when I'm recording the video. And in Euro USD, if you go and watch my last couple of videos, we have broken this swing high, with this candle. So this is your bullish trend, okay? And we are going for this one, I guess. That's it. Yes, surely we are. So if you choose this, that's it. So that's your TP, okay? And if you go and check my Telegram group, I gave this signal swing setup in Telegram as well. Go and check my Telegram. You will and go and scroll and find this. I gave the swing setup, I guess, a couple of days ago, maybe on Tuesday. Okay, so I gave this trade on Tuesday or maybe yesterday. I don't remember, but I did, and I told you the exact TP and everything. So coming back to 4 hour here, what should be your entry? This candle was your entry, by the way. Okay, so your long entry was this candle in 4 hour, right? So now we already know the move. TP is this in daily chart, and this is the long bullish trend. Now where will you enter? Go figure it out. Okay. If you want precise entry in these 4 hour swing setups, then you can go and join my membership here. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.